here we are.
What project are you doing?
We're building a dresser for some friends for their baby Raylan. A dresser and a wardrobe. It'll be about this tall, about this wide. Wardrobe will have doors, dresser will have drawers. Wardrobe will have drawers, have a base at the top.
How are you gonna build it? What's your plan?
Wooden tools. I'm gonna cut it and stick it together.
Did you just come up with this idea?
I didn't have time to come up with plans on my own, so we bought some online that are close, and we're just gonna modify them a little bit and wing it and see where we end up. We're gonna iron so the iron will work right, so you can iron on your edge banding.
And you have to turn it on.
Yeah, my wife, my associate, my partner in crime, forgot a key step. Iron don't work if the iron's not on. So we got some edge banding. It's pre-glued, iron on. Cut it oversized, heat it up, stick it down. Rub it with your fingers.
No.
Let it.
It's hot.
Well, unless it could be hot.
Sometimes it's hot.
Don't rub the iron with your fingers.
So we have almost a box for the dresser build, and that's going to be it for day 6.
Day 6, yeah.
Stay tuned tomorrow to continue this project. And if you are liking the 30-day video challenge, please leave us a comment below and let us know that you're liking it and what you're liking, so we know what kind of content you all want to see more of. And as always,
thanks for watching the flipping video.